This is part 1 of snowstorm. So let's begin. What's happening? Why am I hearing that? What? Why is my phone ringing? Nick, I know what's happening. Emergency. Wait, emergency? Get out of this place. Ella? What's happening? This is a little snowstorm. You have to go so fast to my house, okay? Okay, can you go so fast to my house? Because, like, whoa. Everything is going crazy right now. Like, look outside. Okay, I will look outside. Wait. It snowed so... Pack up quick! I can't believe this is already happening. I don't... Oh my god, the Wi-Fi's out. What do I do? Nick, get in my bag. I say go, you two. Get in my bag, guys. Oh no, this is so bad. Get my phone. What do I need in my... okay, I guess my sleeping mask. No, I can... What do I normally have to pack with these emergencies? Like, I never... Like, only when I was young, I had this. I don't know what I packed it. Well, at least it was cool that I'll bring this. Bring what I got for my mom and this one that I got for my grandma. Got my photo shooter. Oh no, what do I pack? Well, I at least got some stuff. Okay, I definitely need some water, but I don't have a kitchen because I always get pastel, but because I can only just get it for free because I live somewhere where there's no kitchen. Well, I do have a kitchen, but there's really nothing in it. So I don't really know what to pack. Oh no, this is not good. Oh yeah, definitely bring my money. I don't want to not have a house anymore. Okay, I guess I just have to pack that for now. Maybe a lamp. Yeah, that's also a go. But I need my pictures. I don't know what to do with them. Well, the inner one needs glass ones, and glass is probably can hold that. So we have to go. MA8 Plus. I can forget that. Why is it not closing? It's not closing. Okay, let's go. What? You can like, well, yeah, go. Yes, wait, I'm coming. That red car. She's in that red car. Just need to get to it. Let me just get the friends. Oh, he's here. Go! Thank God she closed the door. Oh, thank you that I could be here. No problem. What? My dog. Well, my cat likes dogs. I hope it. Yeah, he always likes to play with my cat toys, so probably you will like it. Let's get them. Yep, they definitely like them. Thank you that I could be here. I just go want some stuff because these stuff were really thankful to me. So now I'm gonna teddy bear. So I think it's probably gonna get pretty cold. So I also found this one, and wait, just a minute. There was another one. Wait, I have another one somewhere, but I don't know what that one is. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't really know what that other thing is. So I guess we probably just have to sleep with yeah. Well, I'm just doing something really comfy on. Guys, I normally have something really comfy with me. So let me just get it. Okay, okay. I put my comfy thing on. Okay, wait, let me just, I got my pajama too. And that is like so comfy. The lights going off. Well, at least we still have this and this. Yeah. Well, what was that noise? I guess it was a snowstorm. Ah! Wait. It's getting really cold. Even the dogs. We have to put them to bed. Look, they can sleep there. Let me just make them sleep there. We also have to sleep. It's so cold. Better put this on. Oh. Okay, I kind of cooled it. Do you have like hot cocoa or something? No, let me try to put something warm on. Okay, let's better go. I don't really know what to do. Wait, guys, I guess we have to get someone because. Wait. Where is that guy? Oh, no, what's that other one? What's that other one guy? Where was that stupid guy? That one? Oh yeah, here. Oh, sorry. It's so freezing. It's so freezing cold. Open up. Can you open up the door? Can you open up? It's freezing cold. I can't die. I can't die. Do you want me to die? Please someone help me. Oh. Wait. Who is that? Normally never people come on this winter time, so let me just check who it is. Open the door! Do you want me to die? Open the door. Why are you here? Whoa! Are you dumb? It's a nest! Well, I don't really know if it's actually a shelter again. Just open up. I don't want to sleep again, okay? Just open up the door. Do you want me to freeze and die? No. So let me in this house, okay? Okay, slow down, bro. Hey, Charlie. Oh, hey. Who's that? My boyfriend. Good thing you opened the door because it's my boyfriend. I have some warm clothes. Let me just get them. Look, here you go. Look, I bought some. Look, I bought this for me. You would come, I guess, a little bit. Thank you. Guys, it's just freezing cold. There's only one. I'm to put it back on. I didn't know what to do. I'm going. I'm gonna check what's on about today. Don't! Opens the door, closes. It's my key. Oh, okay, what is Sigma? Oh. What just happened? Okay, guys, I have no idea what that was, but wait, I have no idea what. Toca boca. Okay, I have no idea what happened, but well, like I have no idea what that was. I guess that's kind of crazy. Anyway, let me just go back. I have no idea what happened. I just was going crazy with the character and then... Yeah. My God! What? Flashlight here. Thanks. Anyone? Yeah. What is that? What is that violating thing? I have the wand! Open the door! Open the door! Just open the door! I need to get it! There's a crazy monster after me! Open the door! The chill! Open the door! Whoa! Shut up! Alright, what do you want? Let me inside! No, go to the house. Shut the door. Ugh. I have to walk with this creepy monster! Guys, let me back inside! There's a creepy monster! A creepy monster is attacking me! Let me back inside! But the flashlight? Just let me in! Okay, fine. Open the door. Close! And then snow comes in. Snow's coming in, guys! Go to the bathroom! Now! There's no room! There's no room for me! No! Oh no! Who's gonna get out? And who's gonna die maybe? I don't know! You know what? You can go. No, I don't want you to die. I don't care. I will always be in your hearts. How romantic! Just shut up. But so romantic. Can you just shut up with that? Okay, fine. Ugh. Oh no. Wait, are you guys helping me? Close the door, guys! Thank you guys for helping me. Wow. Come on, let's go safe up here, okay? What should we? We need to get something on like this. Get this pillow. Like this. Nick! Are you okay? Wait. Nick is okay! Yeah! Okay, that kinda hurt me. Nick, you okay? Hi guys! Come back for part 2. I hope you guys feel. And consider like, subscribe. Bye!